Love Harvest hosts this very cool organization where they slate farms and wineries all across North America that open their properties up to our viewers for free of charge. So we're gonna buy some delicious veggies and wine. So everybody wins. This one is particularly cute here in BC. Sort of organic farms. They also make these incredible ciders. They do pickling. They just have like a plethora of amazing.
There's the 5 generations of families.
There's a lot of history at this farm as well. And then this is where we slept in this gorgeous valley.
Check out that killer view. And there is where we parked Buddy last night with amazing views. Had our wine out there on the picnic bench. Had a little dinner and soaked in that view.